Find or read reviews that people are talking about Mallory 14410ML Alpine Gear 33-inch folding Snowbrush. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Next, we are introduced some reasons why you should choose that. Clear snow from any angle. Extend your brush or lock in at a 90-degree angle with a press of a button, making it perfect for clearing snow and ice off hard-to-reach roofs of trucks, SUVs, and vans. Scratch-free snow clearing. Extra durable bristles and oversized thick brush head are effective for quick snow removal while protecting your vehicle's finish. Comfort and control. Soft grip integrated with aluminum pole is light and comfortable, making it great for gloves or bare hands to keep you warm and give greater control in brushing heavy snow off. Save space, bigger brush. Great for saving space and retaining a full-sized snow brush in your vehicle, with the click of a button, bringing the brush from 35-inch to under 18-inch. Cuts through thick ice, featuring ice chippers that score the ice to make scraping easier while removing more frost and ice on any windshield or window. Mallory's 33-inch Alpine Gear foldable snow brush brings a whole new meaning to compact. The snow brush features a strong power pivot folding lock to extend for extra reach, and folds flat so it won't take up much room when you're finished using it. Good for both large and small vehicles, the extra-large brush head clears snow quickly and the durable ice scraper makes clearing frost and ice a breeze. If you want to get full highlight features and / or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching my video. Please press like button and share this video with your friends. Last, don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.